Hey everyone, ground pound Bitcoin fam. Welcome to today's big market brief. If you're watching this on the big screen, share from the iPhone 17 Pro, buckle up. We're going full newsroom style because today the charts are testing hands in a serious way. Here's some headlines right here. I'm going to read them off for you. As of this morning, Bitcoin is trading around the mid to low 67,000s to 69,000 range after sliding over 5 to 6% in the last 24 hours. That's wiped out more than $130 billion in total market cap and marks the lowest levels we've seen since early April. Ethereum and the broader market are feeling the pain too, down 5% plus across the board. What's driving the move, guys? Geopolitical jitters, escalating tensions in the Middle East with reports of U.S., Iran exchanges and failed peace talks. So here we go again. Have sparked a classic risk-off move. Markets hate uncertainty, and crypto is feeling it hard right now. Number two, guys, ETF outflows accelerating. Spot Bitcoin ETFs have seen massive redemptions, over $2.9 billion in recent weeks. Craziness. With 10-day streak of net withdrawals, BlackRock's IBIT and others are leading the outflows. This is the kind of mechanical selling pressure that amplifies the dips. Number three, guys, corporate move spooks traders, okay? MicroStrategy, yeah, they sold some Bitcoin, made its first small Bitcoin sell in years. Just 32, no big deal, to cover dividends. Good on them. Okay, even though it's a tiny fraction of their massive 843,000 plus stack, it triggered panic selling over 76 million in liquidations across the crypto space. If you're a trader, you know what I mean. Here we go. The technical picture, guys, and this is where it's broad. Bitcoin broke key supports at 70 and is now testing levels not seen in months. Open interest remains high. Funding rates are still elevated and fear is creeping in. Some analysts are watching the 65 to 60K chart, okay? Dang. Zone has potential deeper support if this turns to a full flush. But remember, May is historically strong for Bitcoin. This dip after a weak month in shaking out the weekends, you guys know what that means. About to buy the dip. Let's see if we can hold this support. Here's the bull case, legends. This ain't our first rodeo, guys. Not at all. Third, fourth, I don't remember. But Bitcoin has survived far worse. Institutional adoption is still structurally bullish long term. ETFs have brought in tens of billions cumulatively. Corporations continue stacking. MicroStrategy's tiny sell doesn't change their HODL thesis whatsoever, and people get scared. This happens every bear market. Every bear market. Real quick, guys, if you got Bitcoin or crypto on the exchange, get that stuff moved off. Get it into a cold storage wallet. I have a link for Elapal in my bio. You guys could use that if you want. Yeah, I do get paid a commission for it, but get that stuff moved off. Don't leave it in the exchanges to where you're watching it go down and you're telling yourself, I need to sell because it's going down. Now's the best time to DCA. Let's get back into it. Here we go. Longer term forecasts remain aggressive. Some voices are still calling for 100K, 180K. My call is 192K at the end of this year. Okay. Or even wilder targets by the end of 2026 as macro conditions, potential Fed cuts, and etc. improve and more institutions rotate back in. Here's the bottom line, legends, okay? And this is the most important. This is a fake out. Volatility is Bitcoin's future, okay? Not a bug. The ground pound strategy has always been stack sats on red days, stay disciplined, and understand the real conviction wins when the noise is loudest. All the FUD going around, best time. If you're new here, this is exactly why we pound the ground. Not financial advice whatsoever. Always do your own research. Manage your risk. Get your crypto moved off the exchanges into a cold storage. Let's secure that, guys. Drop your thoughts in the comments, legends. And buying this dip or waiting for lower, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you up in the next update. Stay strong out there, Bitcoiners. We'll be talking about the dip as the setup for the next leg up. This is your daily Bitcoin reality check. Peace.